So 0.4 times 0.4 squared is the same thing as 0.4 times 0.4 times 0.4, which is the same thing as 0.4 cubed. That's not necessarily that meaningful, but one way that it just may help you to think about it that way. I find it most useful when you get something like this, when you're cubing something and you have all these different answers that really don't have numbers very much in common. I guess we have choice A and C that match, and we have choices B and E that match. In terms of this, they both have 64, these both have 256. One of the things you can do is ignore the decimal places to start with, and then just do, what is 4 times 4 times 4? 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. So only the answers that have 64 in them are options here, so we can get rid of choice A, choice C, and choice D. The only thing then we have to decide is which one has the correct number of decimal places. Remember that since we're multiplying, 1/10 times 1/10 times 1/10, or 0.4 times 0.4 times 0.4, every one of these things that's to the right of the decimal point is going to move the decimal place one more to the left, making the decimal a longer one, making it basically choice B rather than choice E. Notice that there's 3 places to the right of the decimal point. That's because we had 1, 2, 3 one-digit things to the right of the decimal point. For every one of these, we'd have another decimal place in here. And since we already knew it ended in 64, even if you couldn't remember this part here, you had a 50% chance of guessing just by figuring out that 4 times 4 times 4 equaled 64. Anyway, choice B is the correct answer on this one.